Hello and welcome to my first video here on YouTube. This is going to be an educational series of the Japanese language where I focus on the kanji compounds, or well, vocabulary in general. I have a series on my website and Twitter where I post just one word each day, so sometimes I plan to at least make videos of this as well. And I just explains a little bit what they mean. So yeah, today's word is, well, sorry about the explicit about the recording window there, but today's word is this one. Can you guess what it means? Maybe if you are familiar with the kanji meanings. At least it means scenic beauty, according to jisho.org. And yeah, usually these kanji compounds have a longer explanation or longer definition, right? They are often in Japanese and sadly not so much in the English dictionaries, so that's a thing you might miss out on, and that's why I always recommend looking, the, looking them up in the Japanese one instead, because you will get a longer explanation, then you can check in the English afterwards when you read both, so you get you get both pictures, and sometimes it should be the same, but sometimes it has a better explanation that makes you understand it better in the Japanese one. This word obviously is not so complicated, so it doesn't really add so much value, but you will see it adds some value with having the Japanese explanation. It's just longer, and it just feels better to know the full story, right, than just get the scenic beauty. But that is the definition of this word, and that is what it is. It's a very beautiful picture in front of you. Because you have the first kanji here, let's check the meanings. Mountain and violet color, water, and bright or clear. So, and the reading would be San, Shi, Sui, Mei. Yeah. Let's see the kunyomi readings for each. You got Yama, Murasaki, Mizu, and this kanji, which means bright, right? So you have all different, a bunch of readings for it, such as akarui, maybe what it is most famous for. So okay, and the longer explanation or the longer definition would be that, well, if you take these two in two, you got violet mountains, bright water. That is exactly what the scenery is. You could imagine a fantasy world with a violet mountains, in a mist of violet color, and downside flood and lakes of that are really pure and clear, bright blue color. That would be like a very pretty image, very beautiful, right? That is what I see when after reading the explanation, I can see that better now. So it really is interesting when you get the full picture, I think. So yeah, that is the meaning of the word, pretty much. I translated the exact sentence I found in my Japanese dictionary here. One of the sentences that are the key sentence. It says, mountains being illuminated by the sun in hazy violet colors, floods and lakes are pure and clear. That would be the real meaning of it, as well as scenic beauty. So it is one of the words I really like, and it's easy to remember the reading of onyomi as well. And when you get these readings of onyomi, you will learn so many more kanjis because of one word, you know, you get 4 readings in one. It's like 1 pack of 4, you get so many more free. So you can use them, well, you will remember them better, because these words are very meaningful and sometimes they just stick together. They just stick. And, you know, reading different stuff on the Japanese text, and you will see maybe Murasaki here, violet color, the kanji, together with something else, and then you will, right, it's she that is the onyomi reading. So it's very useful to learn this, I think. So yeah, thanks for watching, and stay updated on my website for these explanations of word of the day, and my Twitter instead if you prefer that, or not at all if you prefer that. So yeah, thank you for watching, and see you guys later.